I'm going to the really hot room. Oh?
Someone Facebook.
Yeah, wait, hold on. How do I close this? Close. Yeah. We're going to the hot room right now. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Let's go to the hot room. Wait, where is this pointing to? Baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go to the hot room. Come on, hurry. That's the hot room. Okay, I'm coming in. Thanks. Oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. Okay. We're using this, putting it on, staying only for a very little time because I don't want this to have an issue.
No idea.
Actually, I don't think this is the best of ideas. How do I rotate this? Ah! I don't know how to do this. Okay, I'll stop it. Bye! Ah. Okay.